Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where I'm one-upping my mother-in-law's cooking. But let's be real, that's not hard. Today we're going to make an easy, delicious, homemade spaghetti sauce. We're going to start with small dicing one large onion. We're going to chop up half a cup of fresh basil. Now we're going to chop up about a quarter cup of fresh parsley. Now to a large pot, we're going to heat it up over medium-high heat. Once that pan's heated up, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we'll add in that onion we diced up. We're going to cook this for 5 minutes or until the onion's nice and tender. Now once the onions have cooked, we're going to add in 5 cloves of minced garlic. I'm using lazy people garlic or jarlic. For the jarlic, it's about 1 teaspoon of minced garlic per clove. We're going to cook this for 30 to 60 seconds. Now we're going to add in about half a cup of chicken broth. One 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. $15 ounces of tomato sauce, and 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste. We're also going to add in 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of ground oregano, 1 tablespoon of sugar, the half cup of chopped basil, the quarter cup of chopped parsley. We're going to mix that all together. Now we're going to bring it to a simmer. And once it starts to simmer, we're going to turn the heat down to low. We're going to let it simmer for 1 to 4 hours, depending on how thick or thin you want your sauce. Don't forget to add in half a teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of ground black pepper. Once you get to your desired thickness, you can cut off the heat, Now at this point you can blend it with an emulsion blender or leave it chunky. It's a very easy, delicious spaghetti sauce. Like I said, you can leave it chunky or blend it to make it smooth. Also add mushrooms or whatever. Make it your own, make it better. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.